This is how to install Forge 1.16.5 for Minecraft Java. So first, you go to the website that'll be linked in the description, press installer underneath download latest, and this page will come up called Forge Developments. And it'll be 5 seconds in the corner, and as soon as skip comes up, just press it and your download will start. It'll say that it'll harm your device. Just press the 3 dots and press keep. It will not harm your device. I've done this many times. Once it's done, just press or drag it onto your desktop and then open it. Once you've opened it, it'll just be Forge, and make sure it says install client and then press OK. I'm not going to do it because I already have it installed, but once you do it, you can just launch the Minecraft launcher and press Forge. Once the launcher is open, press on the down arrow and just press Forge, and then you can press play and the game will start. Once the game is loaded, you can press on the mods tab and just press open mods folder and drag downloaded mods into there. If that doesn't work, or the mods category doesn't show up, go into options, then resource packs, and then press open resource packs folder. After you're there, it'll say .minecraft. Press .minecraft and then press mods, and you can just drag mods in that way.